Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using some Modelones Polygel to create a really pretty sparkly and glass-like nail set. So this is a set I did a couple of days ago. It's time to pop it off and do a new one. Okay, so moving into the tips. So I have my BT Art Box false nails. I'm going to go ahead and size these out. Okay, time to get started. All the products I'm using in today's video are from Modelones. This is a glitter polygel from them called Girl's Dress. I'm just applying a really long bead of product to the nail, going from the cuticle to the free edge, and I'm gonna be fully covering this nail in this glitter, so you guys are gonna see me do it in one bead. First, I bring it down to the cuticle, and then I just pull on the edges of the bead, making sure it gets all the way to the side walls, keeping some height in the center of the bead. By height, I mean thickness, and there needs to be thick points in the nail to keep it from breaking, mainly in the center and in the stress point. The fake nail starts to extend from where your finger stops, right in the middle. And just like that, I have an entire nail fully covered in polygel. It was really easy to do it with the Modelones glitter polygel because it's super soft. So even with the light hand, the product is going to move effortlessly, just because of this one bead method that I'm doing, and also just because of the consistency of the polygel. You'll even see me get through my pointer finger really quickly. So on my middle finger, I'm using their base coat and some glitter they sent over. I'm applying it to the nail bed area of my middle finger. I didn't really like the way the gel polish layer looked, and I also want to incorporate some extra glitter if I could. So I'm just covering up my nail bed and getting a little bit onto the tip. So now we're encapsulating, and I just want to start off by saying I was so surprised with how clear this polygel was. I have used Modelones polygel in the past. I've actually used it recently. I did a video where I tested all the clear polygels I had to see which one's the clearest. Modelones was one of them, and I don't remember it being this clear. It was so surprising. This was definitely the perfect polygel for that glass nail. As you can see, I got too much product on my middle finger, so instead of wasting it, I just applied it to the next finger and then cured. But like I was saying, I was so surprised with how clear it was. I'm curious to know if they've actually changed their formula of the clear polygel, because the Modelones clear that I have, I've had it for quite a while. So I'm wondering if that's what it is. Just went ahead and sped through the rest of my nails. Cleaned off the sticky layer. It's time to file. I'm using their hand file to reshape the nails, just going along the sidewalls and the free edge to get a coffin shape back. Wiping away the dust, and now I'm using my Kiara Sky 5-in-1 fine drill bit. First thing I'm doing is going around my cuticle to seal it in and smooth it out. Then I'm using up and down motions to debulk the nails. And then after this, you'll see me do side to side motions. That's just to smooth out the nail from the up and down motions. Wiping away the dust and buffing up the nails. Everything you saw me do on my thumb, I did to the rest of my fingers as well, just off camera to save time. And here's what they're looking like. So we're almost done. I also wanted to add some of the gems that were in the kit as well. So I'm using just the top coat to apply the rhinestones. I'm putting it in the wet gel, and I'm using just a wax pen to pick them up and place them how I want them, which I actually really like the way that this arrangement came out. And this Model 1's top coat actually did a pretty good job holding in the rhinestones. They are small rhinestones, but I usually use rhinestone gel and top coat whenever I do rhinestones, but the top coat was definitely strong enough to hold them in, so that's nice. As you can see, to get super clear results, I'm top coating both the top and the bottom of the nail to just cancel out any cloudiness. And I really loved how clear these nails turned out. So you're just gonna see me finishing up the nails. I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil using my favorite Cusio Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. My cuticles were so crusty, and now they look like they've come back to life. This is how the nails look. They are pretty clear. Sometimes it's really hard to get really clear results when it comes to polygel, so I'm really happy with the way that these turned out. I would definitely be using the Model 1's clear polygel in the future. I love these nails. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.